In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your AirPods to your iPhone manually in 2025. This step-by-step AirPods pairing guide is designed to make the process as smooth as possible for you. Let's get started. First things first, for a seamless experience, you'll want to ensure that you're signed into your iCloud account on your iPhone. This might sound like a small detail, but it's actually quite important. Being signed into iCloud allows your devices to communicate effortlessly, ensuring that all your Apple gadgets work in perfect harmony. Now it's time to bring your AirPods close to your iPhone. Yes, proximity is key here. Make sure that your AirPods are in their charging case and keep the case open. The open case signals to your iPhone that the AirPods are ready to pair, so don't skip this essential step. After a few seconds, you should see a pop-up on your phone screen asking if you'd like to connect your AirPods. It's as straightforward as it sounds. Simply tap connect on your screen. This little tap sets the magic in motion, allowing your iPhone to establish a Bluetooth connection with your AirPods. As the connection is being established, you might notice some on-screen prompts guiding you through the setup process. Not to worry, it's all pretty intuitive. Follow these prompts, and once they've been completed, go ahead and tap continue. These prompts help personalize the setup, ensuring you get the best experience with your new AirPods. Here's a handy feature that might just impress you. If you have an Apple Watch paired with the same iPhone, your AirPods will automatically connect to the Apple Watch as well. This means the sound can seamlessly switch between your devices, enabling a truly integrated Apple ecosystem. Whether you're out for a run with just your watch or lounging at home with your phone in hand, your AirPods will be ready to deliver excellent audio. Now that you've followed these steps, you can rest assured knowing how to set up your AirPods properly. The great news is, regardless of whether you're using second generation AirPods, third generation AirPods, AirPods Pro, or even AirPods Max, the process remains largely the same. Apple's design truly aims to keep it user-friendly across generations. And there you have it. A simple, straightforward way to pair your AirPods with your iPhone manually. Enjoy the convenience and quality that comes with this setup. Thanks for watching, and happy listening!